Good morning children. I hope all you are doing good. Today onwards I am going to take your maths WhatsApp class. Okay, for this class you have to maintain one separate notebook. What we have discussed in this class you have to note down, otherwise you have to do that problems in that classwork. Okay. In this third standard maths, first chapter is 4-digit numbers. Right? Already we have studied in the second standard 3-digit numbers. Already you know about 1 to 100, 100 to 1000 also you know. Yes, now we recall that a 3-digit number. See, 1 makes a 110 or 110 is equals to 10 ones. Right? 10 ones. 10 ones means, see here, ones 10 boxes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 ones are same as 110. Okay. This 110 as now represent as a one single box. This 110 means these 10 tens are same as 100. Right, here 10 tens are there. 110 means like this one box. Here like that box, tens are there. Okay, 10 tens are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 tens are same as 100. Already you know about this. Okay, up to 100, up to 1000 also you know. Okay, about this one small exercise is there. Let us discuss about that exercise. Okay, see, in exercise 1.1, first main is write the numbers. Here they have given boxes. Okay, see here, hundreds, 2 boxes are there. Right, 1, 2. And then tens, how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then in ones place, ones how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 boxes are there. Right? How can we write it as now? We can write it as now in 200 place how many boxes? 2. We can write it as now here 2. Okay. And then in tens place how many boxes? 6. We can write it as 6. And then in ones place how many boxes? 7 boxes. Okay, we can write it as now 267. We can read it as 267. Okay, see here, another one sum is there. See, yes. In 100 place how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, in 100 place how many boxes are there? 4 boxes. In tens place how many boxes? 3 boxes. Right, in ones place no boxes. We can write it as now in 100 place how many boxes? 4. In tens place 3. In ones place 0. We can write it as 0. We can read it as now 430. Okay, understood? Yes. See here now. In 100 place boxes are there? No. In tens place how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in ones place how many boxes? 4 boxes are there. I explained, right? You only write, you only do this problem in a homework. Okay, in notebook. And then in B main, fill in the blanks and write the number names. See, here they have given a numbers. You have to write about that number names. Okay. See, 5 hundreds plus 0 tens plus 1 1 is equals to 501. Right? 500 0 tens. If it is in tens place is there means it will also come. But in tens place 0 is there. So, and then in one place 1 is there. How can we read it as? How can we write it as? 501. And then second question, 900 46. 9, 4, 6 is there. How many hundreds are there here in 9? 9. And then tens are 4. And then in ones place 6 is there. How can we read it as 946? Okay. And then here 333 is there. You can write in a number name in a notebook. Okay. And then fourth one 240. In 100 place which number is there? 2 is there. In tens place 4 is there. In ones place 0 is there. How can we write now this number? 240. 240. Understood now here up to here? This is about a number naming. Okay, number names. Next, fill in the blanks and write the numbers. See, first question 409. Here you have to write, here they have given a naming, number naming. You have to write that numbers. Okay, 409. In 100 place we can write 4. Okay, and then in tens place only here they have given only 409. They didn't give here 0. Tens place. Okay, so we can write it as 0. In ones place 9 is there. In naming form we can write it as a 409, means 409. Okay. And then second question 350. In 100 place which number here? 300 means 3. Okay. In tens place 50. 50 means which number? 5. In a 50, this is round figure. Okay. In ones place 0. Okay. 300, 5 tens, 0 ones. We can write it as 350. We can read it as 350. Okay. And then see, here two problems are there. You have to do in a notebook. Okay. 949. Which number it comes here now in 100 place? Here 900 is there, means here it will come here 9. In tens place which number? 4. 40 means 4. Okay, in ones place which number? 9. We can write it as here now 349. You have to write in a notebook. Okay, this also 554. This also here, which number it will come? You have to think and write. 500 in tens place which number, and then in ones place which number. You have to think and you have to write in this notebook. Okay. And then D main. Understood now this one? C main. Okay. And then D main. Write in the short form. Okay, they have given here in a expanded form. You have to write these numbers in a short form. This also easy only. All these are you have studied in a second standard. Yes, right. See, 500 plus 60 plus 7. We can write it as, we can take only these first numbers. Right. We can write it as 5, 6, 7. Right. In short form 567. This also easy only. And then this one 800 plus 90 plus 0. In short form we can write it as 890. 890. Right. This also easy only. 900 plus 90 plus 9. We can write it as 999. 999. See, this is also same only. But they have given here number form. 600s plus 6 tens plus 3 ones. This also same. 600 means like this only. 600. And 6 tens means 60. And 3 ones means 3. We can write it as 663. 663. Okay, this also same. 600s plus 6 ones. You have to do these problems. You have to do, which I given here, fill of. You have to fill. You have to write in a notebook. Okay. You have to write all these problems. You have to do these problems also. Here next question. 900s plus 110 plus 0 ones, like this only. 900. Okay, sixth question, 900s plus 110 plus 0 ones. This also same, 900 means 900 plus 110 means 10 plus 0. You have to write these problems in a notebook. Next में okay, write in the expanded form. Here they have given numbers in a standard form. You have to write these numbers in a expanded form. Okay, see here they have given number 638. How can we write this 638 now? See, 638. 6 is in a which place? 100 place. 3 is in tens place. 8 is in ones place. How can we write now? 6 is in which place? 100 place. 6 into 100. Okay, next. 3 is in which place? Tens place. Right? 3 into 10. Next. 8 is in which place? Ones place. Right? We can write it as 8 into 1. Next, 6 into 100 means how much? 600. Easily we will get that one. 600 plus 3 into 10, 30 plus 8 into 1, 8. Okay, in expanded form, how can we write it as 600 plus 30 plus 8? Understood? Yes. Next, see this also same only. 840. You can do it in a notebook. See, this also 745. 700 plus 40 plus 5. This one 805 means 805. This also we can write it as 800 plus 0. In tens place no number, 0 is there. So directly we can write it as 0. In ones place which number is there? 5 is there. Directly we can write it as 5. Okay, 800 plus 0 plus 5. All these are you have studied in a second standard. Okay. Next, this one is a fill in the symbol. This is the smallest symbol. This is the greatest symbol, or this is a equals to symbol. Okay, this also you have studied in a second standard, but they have given there only two digit number. Here they have given 3-digit number. Okay, this is a smallest symbol, this is a greatest symbol, in this is a equal symbol. Equal symbol means two numbers are equal, means here you have to put equal symbol. Okay, see here 314 and 448 is there. In these two numbers, which is bigger number? 448 is bigger number, and which is smallest number? 318 is a 314 is smallest number. So we have to put which sign? Smaller sign. Okay, see here this is smallest number. No, for this is a smallest sign. Okay, here also see here 318 is there, here 381 is there. Which is biggest number now here? 381. Which is smallest? 318. Okay, now which sign we have to put here? Smallest or greatest? We have to put here smallest sign. Yes, smaller, because 318 is smaller. We have to put here 318. Which is first, you have to see first number. First number it is bigger means you have to put bigger sign. First number it is smaller means you have to put smaller sign. It is easy only. Understood? No? First number is smaller means you have to put smaller sign. First number is bigger means you have to put bigger sign. Understood? See, this is in here which is bigger? 381. Which is smaller? 318. First number is smaller, so we have to put smaller sign. We have to do in a classwork, means notebook, this problem. Okay, next third one also. See, 500 and 518 is there. Which is smaller here? First number is smaller, no? 500 is smaller than 518. So we have to put here smaller sign. This also easy only. Okay, see here 901 and 910 is there. You You have to put which sign is correct, you have to put here. And this one also, 456 and 654 is there. 456 is smaller than 654. So we have to put smaller sign because first number is smaller than second number. You have to see first number. If it is smaller than second number means you have to put smaller sign. This also easy only. This is easy method. Okay, see here 949 and 949 is there. Okay, you have to put here which sign is coming means you have to put. Okay, next I will not tell about this. Okay, this is easy only. You have to do this problem. You have to do this. Okay, next one. Understood? No, no, these two means these both also easy only. Next. Rewrite in a ascending order. Ascending order means what? Smallest to largest. You know about this also, ascending order and descending order. Descending order means largest to smallest. Largest means large number to small number. Ascending order means smallest to largest. Means small number to big number. Means large number. This also easy one in first standard and second standard. Already you have studied this also, ascending order and descending order. See, here they have given some numbers. 342, 43, 423, 234, 99. In this question, which is the smallest number? 43 is the smallest number. It will come first. Okay, and then which number? 99, right? And then 234. All you have know about this ascending order and descending order. Yes, no, this also easy only, right? Smallest number to biggest. You have to search here which is the smallest number and then write. Okay, 234. And then here which number is next? 342. Okay, which is the next number? 423. This also easy only, smallest to largest. Okay, you have to first choose smallest number and then write biggest number. Okay, you have to do this problem. 245, 345, 500, 542, 88. You have to see this see this number and you have to do this. Okay, I will not say about this. Next, third also I did already. 448, 753, 90, 989. Which comes first now? 89. This is the smallest number. And then 90. And then 548. And then 753. Next 900. Ascending order means smallest to largest number. You have to see first numbers and then you have to write. And then H may rewrite in descending order. This is opposite of ascending order. In ascending order you have to write smallest to largest, but in descending order you have to write largest number to smallest number. Okay. See here, first number you have to do in a descending order, and second one 99, 199, 100, 109, 901 is there. I did already this one. Which is the biggest number here? Largest number 901, right? Which is the next number? 199. Next number 109. Next is 100 and then 99. This also same only. 788, 865, 901, 109, 87, which is the biggest number here, 901, next 865, next 788, next 109, 87. This also easy only, ascending order and descending order. Ascending order means smallest to largest, but descending order means largest to smallest. Don't confuse about this. Okay, ascending order means smallest number to small number to large number. Descending order means large number to small number. Okay, this is the opposite. Ascending order is opposite of descending order. Descending order is also opposite of ascending order. Okay. Understood now? Ascending order and descending order. Okay, next is okay. Now let us discuss about 4-digit number. 4-digit number means see, in 4-digit numbers, 10 hundreds is equals to 1000. Okay, here they have taken 10 hundreds, 10 hundred sheets. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is a 10 hundred sheets. This is equals to one bundle of thousands. Okay, this 10 hundred is equals to 1000. Okay, 1000 is a 4-digit number, right? See, 1000 is a 4-digit number. We write 1000 as 1000. Here 4 digits are there now. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is only a 4-digit number. Okay, 10 hundred is equals to 1000. Right, 1000 is a 4-digit number. We can write that 1000 as 1000. Next, how can we count that thousands? See, let us represent 100 as a one square box, one small box, and 1000 as like this a cuboid. Okay, see, thousands number and number name. See here, thousands, how many boxes are there here? How many boxes are there here? 2 boxes, right? Yes. How can we, in number name, how can we write it as 2 and 3 zeros? This is called as, how can we naming about this one? 2000. Already you know about this, I think, right now? Yes. And then see here, how many boxes are there here? Thousands, how many boxes are there? 4. In number names, how can we write it as 4000? We can read it as 4000, right? Yes. See here now. Here thousands, how many boxes are there? 2 boxes. And hundreds, how many boxes here? 3 boxes, right? How can we read it as now? 300, right? How can we write it as now? 2000, 2 boxes. In 1000 place we can write it as 2, and in 100 place we can write it as 300. Okay, we can read it as 2300. Next, how can we forming a 4-digit number? See, 1000 is expressed in word as 1000. Okay, we can read it as we can read this number as 1000, right? See here, 1010 is there. We can read this number as 1010. See, in 1000 place 1 is there, in 100 place 0, in 10s place 1, and in 1s place 0 is there. So we can read as 1010. Okay, see here now, in here 2190 is there. In 1000 place which number is there? 2 is there. In 100 place 1 is there. In 10s place 9 is there. In 1s place 0 is there. How can we read this number now? We can read this number as 2190. Means in 1000 place 2 is there. So 2000. In 100 place 1 is there. 100. In 10s place 9 is there. 90. Okay, in 0 place, in 1's place 0 is there. So we can directly read it as 90. Okay, 2190. Okay. See here. Now here 1003. Here like this is number is like this. How can we read this number as? See, 1343 is there. In 1000 place which number is there? 1 is there. In 100 place 3. In 10s place 4. In 1's place 3 is there. How can we read this number as now? 1343, right? Yes, 1400, sorry, 300. 1000 300 43, right? In 1000 place 1 is there, in 100 place 3 is there, in 10s place 4 is there, in 1s place in 1's place 3 is there. Okay, 1343. Next, you can form a numbers from 1000 to 9999. Already you know, you can write in a notebook. Okay, you can write from 1001 to 9999 like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, like this. You have to write up to 9999. Okay, next. Next, understood now? Up to here, this we can form the 4-digit number. See, now see here, look at this number. See, in 1000 place 2 boxes, we can read it as a 2000. In 100 place 2 boxes, we can read 200. In 10's place 3 boxes, 30, and in 1's place 1 is there. We can write it as 2231. Here also you can take only a first number. Okay, you left that as zeros. You have to take only a first numbers. 2, 2, 3, 1. Understood now? It is read as, how can we read this number? 2231. Okay, see here, how many boxes are there here now? 3 boxes. We can read it as 3000. We can write as now here 3000. Okay, in 100 place, no boxes, right? Like these square boxes are there here? No. In 1000 place only 3 boxes. And then in 10's place, how many boxes? 3 boxes. We can write it as 30. In 1's place, how many boxes? 4 boxes. We can write it as 4. See, in 100 place no number. Okay, no box also. So we can write directly in 1000 place 3 is there. Directly we can write here 3. And in 100 place no boxes. So we can write here 0. Okay, in that place no boxes means you can write in that place 0. And then in 10's place how many boxes? 3 boxes. 30. Okay, you can write this here 3. And in 1's place how many boxes? 4 boxes. We can directly write that as a 3034. How can we read that? 3034. About that also one exercise is there. See, exercise 1.2. Okay, about this exercise, write the numbers and number names. Here also like that only they have given some boxes. See, here they have given here also cubeward like box, that is 1000. Okay, it represents 1000. Here they have given a square box, it represents 100. This represents like this rectangle box, it represents the tens. This small square box, it represents a ones place. See here, in 1000 place how many boxes are there? 3 boxes. Okay, we can write here 3. And in 100 place how many boxes? 1 boxes. 1 box. We can write here 1. And in 10's place how many boxes? 2 boxes. Directly we can write it as 2. And in 1's place how many boxes? 2 boxes. Okay, we can directly write. Okay, we can say that we can write in a number name. See how 3122. In thousand place how many boxes? 3. So 3000. In hundred place 1 box. So 100. In tens place how many? 2 boxes. So 20. In ones place 2. So 22. Okay, 3122. See how can we write that name now? 3122. Okay, second one. You have to do that. See how many boxes are there here? 2 boxes. Right? In a 100 place, no box. In tens place how many boxes? 3. And in 1 place how many box? 1. Okay, directly we can write it as, see and write 2031. You have to do this in a notebook, means classwork. Okay, you have to do this. You have to write directly in a classwork. No need this drawing and all. You have to directly write here number. Second one, second number problem, you have to write here answer, and here you have to write a name. Okay, no need this box and all. Don't draw these boxes. Directly you can write here. Okay, write question number and write this answer. This also. Okay, here in 100 place box is there, but in tens place no box. You have to write. Okay, next fourth one. See here also how many boxes are there? 5 boxes. In 100 place no box. In tens place also no box. But in ones place how many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write it as 5008. Means in 100 place also no box. So 0. In tens place also no box. So we can write as 0 only. So we can read it as 5000. In 100 place and tens place no number. So directly 5008. Directly we can read as 5008. In 100 place and tens place no numbers. So leave that numbers. 0, 0. No need that zeros. Okay, directly we can read it as 5008. Understood? Now you have to fill these 2 boxes and write the data names. Okay, this is easy only. See, represents the following number using this one: cuboid, square, and then rectangle and small square. Okay, you have to represent these following numbers. You have to do only 2 to 3 problems. Okay, don't do all this one. Okay, you have to choose any 3. You have to choose and do this drawing. Understood? Now you have to do this. See here, 2134. 2000 means you have to draw these boxes, 2 boxes. Yes, and then 100 means you have to do this, draw this 1 small square box, and then 3 means you have to draw like this 3 rectangle boxes, and then 4 means you have to draw like this small 4 boxes. I given only a hint. You have to do this one. This also easy only. For all you have interest in drawing now, so you have to do this problem. Okay, if you are interested, if you have interest, more interest means you have to do all this drawing. Okay, otherwise you have to do 3 to 4. Okay, understood now? Up to exercise 1.2 I finished now. If any doubt is there means you have to call and you have to ask me. Okay, now I will end the class. Means now I will stop. Okay, thank you children. Do all these problems in a notebook. You have to write. Okay, you have to take your own time and you have to write in that classwork. Okay, thank you children.